Well, because every day I get older, won't I?
This bloke ain't done much for years.
He's going to live there, wasn't he?
This is all this dentist.
Do you know what? You know when we went on that walk last time, we went to Hospital and this, yeah, and Eggington and all that.
Yeah.
That was the first day of autumn.
We've been up in the top of, what was it, the castle?
The Nelson.
Oh, it's in there, right.
It's not the Nelson, it's the Nelson.
They put the words in there.
Last time we walked down here, we just sold the car and we had the money, didn't we? We went down to celebrate to get rid of it, and now it's gone. Oh, come on. Oh, no, that's a breaker, isn't it? That's a breaker to break all the rubble.
Oh, they got some money, ain't he? He's come into it.
Who were they? Who are they? Do you know them? Oh, no, that's the mirror, isn't it? Think you want to do something? God, that hasn't had any spray jobs at the back, has it? Look at it. That's what it said. A paid car park, so it's not free. Council just shit here, aren't they? Just shit.
For what?
But he's got some business, haven't they? Demolition there, Demolition there, they've got some business. Yeah, just it's got worse recently, isn't it?
Yeah, grinding stones.
And then we're going to go to landfill. 1931 that came here.
Good. That's it, the grinder.
Look at that, look, but they have to render that.
Yeah,
Oh, you got in. They render it, won't they?
don't keep walking in front of me.
You don't keep walking then.
Oh, right, except the...
Oh, you can go down here, look. Stop there then. Remember going. Matt's flat's there. He said it's oh, it's adjoining to it. Yeah. Look at this. I was going to film it before, but
Why?
there was toilets there, basement toilets.
Yeah,
That'll all be gone in a week, won't it? A few weeks by the time I go back. Look at that chimney up there, look.
yeah. Yeah, chimney.
Oh. Look at that chimney, Mo, look. It's falling down, it's just been pushed in.
Where's Matt?
Well, I'll show you. He's had his kitchen rebuilt because of this. It's absolutely terrible. Matt's place is actually that bit on the end there. That bit on the end, that's Matt's bit on the end. Yeah, really. That's his kitchen up there. There, that bit there, he says you can see the castle now, but that's all going to have to be rendered, isn't it? It looks horrible, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Looks